Hey guys, hope you're doing well. This video was filmed a while back when I just finished all the suspension mods to the Chaser. I actually filmed this video a few months ago. The reason why it's coming out now is because two reasons. I completely forgot that I had done this video, and the second reason is I'll be at the snow by the time this video has been uploaded. So to keep consistent, I'm uploading this video for you guys. If you enjoy, please chuck us a like, and I will see you soon back on the regular content when I get back from the snow. Goodbye. Some real talk with you guys. I've been sick over the past week and I haven't been feeling the best. So this is why we're here. This is therapy for me. The sounds that this car makes, the way this thing makes me feel. I love being out here in the hills. I haven't seen a car go past the whole time that I've been here. And that's what I love, just being able to, take a break from everything and just have my mind not filled with anything else but the sound of this car, because bro, I love this thing. I usually get a lot more views with these POV videos. That's why I always introduce the car again, but it's got a link ECU, standalone ECU. It's running ethanol. It's got a bigger turbo, makes all the good sounds, 450 horsepower, and it's finally back on the ground after spending 2 weeks on jack stands, getting an entire refresh done, both on the suspension in the rear and the front. It's got brand new ZSS arms paired with some Serial 9 diff bushings and subframe bushings. The subframe has been entirely refreshed, powder coated, you name it, everything's been done basically. Now it's going to be a little bit odd for you guys because you're going to see me barely moving the steering wheel to get around these corners, these bends, and that's because, I don't really need to move the wheel much because of this lock kit. It's a little bit odd driving it on the Toge, but it actually makes for a better experience because I'm not doing as much work as I have to. We're gonna get this thing started, set up, and ready for all the noises. We're gonna chuck a GoPro in the front engine bay. Let's get going, guys. Are probably just sitting back enjoying the sound of the JZ, but I do have a few things to say. I want you guys to keep note of this because a lot of the guys out there, a lot of the YouTubers out there are cutting Toge out of the meta. There's no more Toge in anyone's videos. It's literally just drifting, and I love drifting, don't get me wrong, but I also love the Toge. Shout out to a channel called Seekers because they inspired me to get back out there in the Toge and make these videos for you guys. I kind of want to make the next build a Toge build for you guys, because it kind of goes back to my roots. Back in the MR2 days, because I had an MR2 and I used to send that thing in the hills. I used to love coming down with my mates, hitting up the Toge, late hours. It was so much fun, it was such a vibe. And I seriously love the vibe of this channel, Seekers. I really hope you guys check him out, because I don't know, there's something about these guys, they're so chill. They kind of like remind me of the OG TJ Hunt videos. Like, they're just so chill. So yeah, nah, they're a smaller channel. Let's skyrocket them to the moon, guys. Go check them out. Oh, I can't heel toe with these brakes, man. Jay-Z in the hills, guys, equals therapy. What is going on? What is going on? Rex H face. That's right. It's not a pure POV, but... And I want it to be known out there that having a solid rear end in a JZX does not really affect the comfortability of the car at all. The thing still feels very comfy. It doesn't really feel much different than before, to be honest, in terms of comfort. Obviously in handling, it's a lot different, but it's really the front suspension. That's what's gonna make the difference in, like, paired with the right coilovers, you can, like, these cars with solid bushings and everything, super comfortable. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, chuck us a like, and if you want to see more POV content, let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, love you guys. See you later. Goodbye.